welcome to my channel. I am here to do a review and also introduce this product that I've been super excited to try out. I spend a lot of time at the hairdresser, and what I fear the most is them chopping off too much of my hair when I say I need a trim. And you know how that goes. You go up there and you tell them, of course, like how you want it, and they're feeling a little scissor happy. But it's all good, girl, because I know you're a hairdresser and you know the truth. This product actually says that it will trim your split ends for you, and you don't even have to make a trip to the hairdresser to do that. So that is a plus, and I am super excited to try it. And I can actually control in a professional way how much is coming off my ends. And my hair is growing out and I'd like to keep it growing. I'm gonna try this product and let you know how it goes, whether I like it or I don't. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Days of hard work, and I am ready to get started on this split end trimmer, but I'm also running really late for a date because the date was supposed to start. Okay, I still have time, forgive me. Anyway, just joking. So here we go. So don't mind my craziness because I'm working off of steam here. And it's just what it is. It's just what it is. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm brushing out my hair. The split ender tells you that you should make sure your hair is completely tangle free and also free of any products and stuff like that, and oil. Sorry. So that's not gonna happen. That was never gonna happen. So this is as close as it's gonna get to product free. And I washed my hair today and blow dried it, and then I curled it. I put some products in it, honey, but hey, nobody has time to be walking around without products. So I'm gonna use this split end trimmer on my hair that has been worn for a day. Yeah, it's not gonna happen with me not using product in my hair. I will look like Boom Chica. And this is not gonna be a good tutorial that way. So what I did, I straightened it with a hair dryer, and then I used a curling iron just to give it a little bit more shape and smoothness. This is as good as it's gonna get. So here we go. So the directions say that you should have the arrows pointing down to the floor, and you should also be grabbing a very thin section. So what I'm gonna do is follow the directions because we don't want any problems happening right now. So here we go. And you're going to want to do this about 3 times per section. I think it says like a little bit more than 3, but we'll see how it goes. I'll kind of take one strand at a time, you know, and determine whether it needs to have 3 or more. Because you just got to play it that way sometimes. Because I feel like the front of my hair is a little bit more dry than the back, and the crown of my hair is a little bit more dry than underneath, so kind of goes however you style your hair mostly. And I am noticing a decent amount of little hair pieces in here. So, and what I have is it's trimming off 1/4 of an inch. That's the version I got. So it was the $100 version. Just joking. So it was the version that seemed the most affordable, and also I feel like 1/4 inch is pretty healthy. They do have another option, another plate that comes, and it's 1/8 of an inch, I believe, which takes off a teeny little bit, but I don't really see how, yeah, that's gonna be a little bit too small. So I'm gonna go ahead and stay with this 1/4 inch. So I've already done the back of my hair, so I'm pretty much just doing the rest of it. So if you want to see the results, I suggest you keep on watching, and hopefully I don't come out bald. I'm sure I don't. It seems like it's working like pretty good so far, and again, I feel like I'm kind of rushing this because I have a date pretty quickly. So I'll see you later because I have to do this and get ready at the same time. Bye. Okay, so I am done. And I have to say I do like what it did, and nothing about this turned me away. I know people are sometimes like, oh my gosh, like I was so afraid to try this. When I saw this, my heart jumped for joy, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to try that immediately. So I am so glad I did, and the proof is in the pudding, because you can see, I don't know if you can see all those little hairs. It's not a lot because I didn't go crazy with it. I just wanted to do a little bit, and this did a little bit, so I'm super happy. But I do have to say, I would not recommend anybody using this without seeing a hairstylist in between times, okay? Because this is not going to solve your split end or haircut problems all the way. You really do need a real haircut by a hairstylist, and that's just real. But what I love about this product is it helps me maintain in between times. I really feel like this makes my hair more manageable when there's not a bunch of split ends. I'm happier with it, and it looks shinier. So I do plan on using this. I do think that this will keep my ends looking a little healthier, so when the next time I go to my hairstylist, she wouldn't have to trim off as much. So I am almost ready to go. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and give it a thumbs up if you like this, and hit the subscribe button if you want to tune into my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!